house or?
Oh, my sock, bruh. My sock is disturbing the fun. Oh, please don't close that. Oh, you closed it, girl. Oh my god.
Here's a pillow.
I want to. Oh, thank you. Even on my drinks again, I am restricted.
Oh, but this is my juice. It's cranberry juice.
Injalo vele again.
But why is it restricting my
So-
cranberry juice?
Oh God, I've lost this part of it. It's okay. Chapter 6. It's chapter 6 in the page, but do you guys have actually pages in this book?
Yeah, we do. Check out the. Yeah.
It's
Does this restrict also?
No, hopefully not.
Because I'm
57.
the back.
57. Hey loves. So there's it. Can we?
Yeah, you can. Of course, it's a bit far. I can do it for you. Don't worry. Sit.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's what I'm not by me. Now what do I
Base
do?
kwaba mnandi kuba yiwe ndacabanga.
Wenzeni?
Ngenzeni? Iphukile? That's fine. Let's.
You have another one?
I always have.
Oh,
Motherfucker, I always
girl.
have plan B, but it has to come out.
Aibo. Yeah, I'm like, hi guys.
So where's my plan B?
How you guys doing? Thank you for following me. Oh, guys, you guys are so sweet, man. Chumingeli week yakho yazinbe cute.
Oh, of course.
Ah. Oh, hi, Oyama.
What was saying?
Hi, Oyama. How are you? What's in any wiki, guys? Not a girl. Yeah, guys. Not saying faggy wig, guys. Like, oh my god. Do you guys prefer me with the wig or without? Okay, so this is without, obviously.
Put your hair on.
The hair, ne?
I love you when without hair. Not that I don't love you when you don't have
Yeah,
it.
clearly you don't love me without
I
it.
do, mother.
I feel like this wig makes me look like more of a yellow bone than I am.
So
I mean,
that's what I
you call dark, but oh, now a baddie, ne? So you baby, yeah. So baby, same time. Umgosi wethu bakithi. Oh man, since we know umsindo, guys. Oh guys, so Ngalisa obathi bafuna umgosi, and right now I am very tempted to speak.
don't speak things that
Thank you for the gift, Nelly. Oh my god. Mwah. I'm very tempted to speak. Like, me tempted. Khona esinye isigaqa esishisayo, guys. Angazi noma ngisipost noma songibopha. The thing is, I've already recorded about it, and lesigaqa lesi ngenze ukuthi singibophise. It's that deep. Uphum umlungu omude ka Black Coffee.
Tommy, can you believe it? In the dustbin.
You know.
It's my...
With dustbin charger.
Yes.
And Jasha.
Ta.
When okay, but tell me, when a manje at this point, when's and with dustbin is really charge?
I was taking everything out. I was taking the dustbin out. I thought I was taking the dustbin out, and then I found my charger. Because if the box is in, take a lot, it's indie. So I was like,
Wait, una
the
manga,
dustbin.
una manga, oh, tabi so
Keep
Yebo manje bayabuza ukuthi uphi umlungu omude ka-Black Coffee. So I'm telling them ukuthi
keep it there. Keep it Jomi.
usuzongikhipha
Charger yami intsha.
Ithenge
Iphuke kanjani? Etheke lot. Iphuke kanjani?
khathi usukuma manje uhlale phezulu.
Ah!
No, literally like when you did I need to be so wahlala phezulu kwayo.
Jomi ufuna uthini ngami?
Like really now you've got a big bum.
Ah!
How was that?
Hawa. Charger yami intsha.
Show me, I'll charge it. Okay.
Now I don't have a backup anymore.
Oh shame, sorry my babe. Othi nje uguy ngiyacela ukuzwa ilo isi. So I need to switch off this thing of people to join as my guest without me inviting them. Hi, Mr. Fresh.
Ah. Hello, ninjani? Ndingenile.
Ungenile ngithi requestile, bro.
Oh my god. Okay, ninjani? Stop right guys.
Yaphila ninjani?
Yaphila. Yoni bahle ndimthathile yazi la baby lona mara.
Manje.
Yeah, ngisho me flash.
Lona la voice le ID.
Lo?
We. Jonga mama. Cela upakishe uzohlala eMidrand yafu. Kuyanetha apha kuyabanda.
We're also in Joburg and then the sky is so clear.
Hayi mara sekubhetha bekunetha ngabu 5 sekungcono ngoku. NaseJoburg kuphi?
I don't want to move in.
Nehlala kuphi eJoburg?
Maboni.
Yo, namanga.
This is Maboni. What do you mean, Ginamanga? Okay, she's a visitor here, by the way. This is my place. So she doesn't even know where she is. Because I Ubered her to come in here.
Oh guys. Manje uphi ke yena ke khona utata ohlala nani lapho re nihlala ngicela uzonigada la.
Roger uthi akuzintombi
Ziphi intombi Roger?
Angithi yazi leya video lethi akumadoda akumadoda
Hayi benifuna nje ukunibulisa mina ne. Akunanto enifuna uyithetha man.
Umxhosa?
Umxhosa man. Wasecofa mbaba. Great.
Umntwana wabadamstruck. Wavele wabadamstruck sana.
Uvele wathi kwasecofa imbaba.
Okay, Jonga. Niziphathe kamnandi ke lapho ka.
Thank you, Mr. Fresh. Definitely will.
Hope one day ndingambona yazi lo sisi la.
Uzombona has been disappearing for like 2 weeks.
Ubavimba ungabanike vanana.
What?
Ubancithi ungabanike va.
Yo hayi ke ngoku.
Hayi one day ngibona mina.
That's why ngangivakashele Midrand.
That's too deep.
Why ngangivakashele Midrand?
Wena kumele uze la.
Why?
Benihlala eMidrand for the whole 2 weeks friend.
Ndingeza la.
I know, don't know.
Dingezi.
No.
Okay. Kalo I didn't text my details nobuze Auckland Park again. I will be in SABC Saturday.
Saturday, what time?
Ekuseni mara ngabo 11.
Until what time?
Go 11 I'm supposed to be there.
That's why I'm saying until what time so that I will come.
Until what time? Yeah, I'm sure about just 1 hour, man. Because we didn't be West Rand. So this is the West Rand.
SABC?
I'm a producer.
Okay, so I'll be at work. Ufika ngo-11 wena. So that means if ungafika ngo-10, then that will work because I would have 1 hour for you. Because I would have to be at studio around 11, 11:30 actually. I have to be at the studio until 3.
3.
Is it until 3?
3.
Okay, until 3, yeah.
Hayibo baby iyasebenza lento mos. Hayibo ingasebenza mos. Okay. Ithi ndikutext ke ku-inbox ke yakho ke.
You will be
WhatsApp,
texting my friend on inbox.
Ndiyasithanda ismail sakho.
I'm not getting back with you again. I'm not going live
No,
with you
lalela
again.
ku-Dr. Mjolo. Vele
I'm
nginjalo.
not going live with you again. I'm sorry.
Okay, chap.
All
Nilale
right.
kahle ke good.
All right, friend.
Okay, we'll see you on the inbox then.
Sure.
Lisa Chomi, uChomi uLisa uthi Chomi kaloku ndizele nale live ndilalele ku volume low.
Igalilele.
Ulele Chomi ingane kaLisa is literally my twin. Mekuthiwa il-twin yami
What do you mean your twin?
ifana nami.
Ifana nawe, kutheni izofana nawe?
Kaloku mina ndi-Harry.
Oh, you should have said something. Phela. You can't just say umntana ufana nawe.
Ingane kaLisa ifana no-antwayo. Antwayo wayithengela igift
Rich aunt.
eqondile.
Rich aunt.
Mina phela ngayithengela igift eqondile ingane kaLisa ongayithi.
Okay.
Nangoku sayisebenzisa kuyona igift expire even if ina 25 sazoyisebenzisa. Angithi Lisa, reply and say yes. Reply and say yes.
Okay.
Reply and say yes. Yo, guys, like
This is cranberry juice, guys. I'm just cleaning my...
cranberry.
Yes. I'm just cleaning my body. Hello guys, ingathi ndisenkumbini ke sana. Yabona amaXhosa ayaziyo lento endithi amaXhosa khona apha azoyazi. Bandithi ngathi ndisenkungwini. Ndisenkungwini impela. AmaXhosa azoyazi bandithetha ngantoni. Ngathi
Mr. Fresh, mina, I'll be talking to your new girlfriend about this show idea you will love producing.
Uthi lo. You know it's talking to you. That's why I love the idea. You love.
Guys, don't. Hi, Jackie, babe.
My gown needs to be somewhere because nothing.
Guys, got the doing question so.
What is this? Is it your phone?
I don't know.
The camera. Because the feeling ngati unenkungu.
Vet. I guess my sekwangena. Is it fine?
That's much better. Should we speak like how am I?
Guys, indaba ziyangishisa.
Okay guys, omunye umntana indaba ziyamshisa because ngulo sisi othi naye sigaxa so hello. Mina ke indaba zingishisa yangibona nje nawe ukuthi nje ngifresh to do, you know what I mean? Okay.
Guys, boy.
Say, word of the day, the new articulate for yourself is to say, God, I am ready.
For what?
For the flood of restoration. Flood. That's a live restricted for some audiences.
TikTok in a stuff.
Why restrict everything?
It's literally and Chomi, there's this story that I want to speak about now.
Mm-hmm.
Siyangishisa story.
Oh, by the way, this was God.
Isigaqo. Sanibona guys, naniyazi ukuthi mengivela kuma-FIP wenu kusho ukuthi ngiphethe isigaxa sendaba. Manje seningibona kanje. Seningibona kanje. Live.com.
Literally a
Thank
blonde
you.
girl.
Thank you. Kaloku I'm a colored girl right now. Kaloku I'm a colored. Let's see, what are people saying? Hey. Nyai. Guys, nginilethele intombi.
Angiyona intombi nje.
Intombi kaMkhwanazi.
Mkhwanazi. Usho lo wamaphoyisa.
Nangumuntu kaMkhwanazi. The secret agent. Awusixelele kuba. Hi, welcome to Isigaxa Sendaba. What is your name?
My name is Lisa. VK. Yeah. Basho njalo ke, it's Lisa VK.
Oh, Lisa VK. Siyajabulela ukuba nawe la Lisa VK namhlanje. So, umuhle sisi.
Ngiyabonga.
Umuhle
I
kakhulu.
took it from my dad.
So you're handsome, not beautiful. So, oh, sorry.
No, I am beautiful, but I took it from my dad.
That means you are handsome.
That means I'm beautiful.
No,
I'm a daughter.
Your dad can't be beautiful.
My dad is handsome, but then I took the
what? The beauty or
the
the
beauty.
handsomeness?
I took the beauty from my dad.
You took the handsomeness
from my dad. And then when it comes to me, it's being a beauty. We call it beauty.
So you are a handsome beauty.
Yes.
So you are a handsome beauty.
You can say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful and handsome at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay. So today we've got Lisa, aka VK, the handsome beauty. That means you are a transgender.
Hello, beauty. I'm not a transgender.
No,
I just took the beauty from my dad.
Galo, if you are handsome, it means you are a guy. If you are handsome, it means you are a guy. If you are beautiful, it means you. So if you are a handsome beauty, it means you are a transgender. Maybe you were handsome before and then you became beautiful.
Okay, hello, ma'am. I'm not a transgender, but then my mom is also beautiful, but I look more like my dad.
So say it in English. You are handsome or beautiful?
I'm beautiful.
But your dad is?
I'm a father's daughter.
You are your father's daughter.
Yes.
So your dad is?
Handsome. My dad is handsome, of course.
And then you took his handsomeness.
And then turned it to beauty. So because I'm a daughter.
So you are handsome beauty.
Whatever you call it, ma'am.
Guys, please tell me. Wrong, ne? Oti, she is her father's daughter. Oti, she took her beauty from her father, ne? So your father was beautiful. Oti, no. So your father was handsome. Oti, yes. So where to find
okay, my father is still handsome.
Okay.
It's not like my dad was handsome. My dad is still alive, so my dad is handsome. So I believe, or I look exactly like my
like
father.
Your dad.
Yes.
That means you are handsome.
No, I'm beautiful because I'm a lady.
But you say you look exactly like your father, ne?
Yes, I do.
You look if I look at you, I'm looking at your father.
Guys, yes, Usisweni Mina is literally confusing me right now because Mina I look exactly like my father, but I'm beautiful because I'm a daughter. I'm a father's daughter. I look like my father.
Okay, I get that, but I'm saying to you, please, guys, I don't know what's so difficult here.
Maybe. Guys, you won't like it when I sing because I'm a good singer. What do you want me to sing?
Before the singing, we still want to establish, ne? Siti Nagiena, okay.
Okay.
Hello. Calling me? Who's calling me? Please don't call me, guys. We live video.
I'm still beautiful, even though I look like my father. I don't know if maybe it's me who's confused,
no, guys,
or The host
I'm not-
is the one who's confused.
I'm not roasting anyone. You guys need to understand, ne? Booga, guys. Book. Okay, let's start this over. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. You're so who? Okay, what's your name?
My name is Lisa. My surname is like Vicky Lashley, which is VK.
Okay, VK.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're so beautiful. Fano bani.
Yes.
Babu wako. So your father is beautiful.
My father is handsome. Very handsome.
So your father is handsome.
Yes.
And you look exactly like your father.
I look exactly like my father, yes.
Okay, so that means you're also handsome. You're not beautiful.
Come on, bro. Is the host confused?
No, guys.
Like, guys, tell me. Maybe I'm the one who's confused.
Ima, answer the question. So that means you are handsome, not beautiful.
I am beautiful because I'm a lady.
No, you look exactly.
You aren't confused. Yeah. They're telling me that I'm not confused. I'm not confused. Thank you. I'm not confused.
No, guys, wait. You look like who?
I look like my father.
So that means you are handsome.
No, I am beautiful because I'm a lady. I can't be handsome.
I think you're a transgender.
My goodness, this host is literally confusing me. Guys,
No.
it's me who's confused or my host is confused because I don't understand anything.
Let's read the comments. They'll tell us.
They said that I'm beautiful, not that I'm handsome.
They said you're handsome.
I'm not a transgender. Guys, no.
VK.
I think the host...
Buga, she's handsome. Exactly.
No! Why would you say she's handsome? Saying I'm handsome.
Now I'm starting
Hey, Azanda, you can't say I'm handsome.
Now I'm starting to think that your voice being deep is a product.
That's too deep.
No. Your voice being deep is a product of your father's handsomeness.
Okay. Yeah, I would say.
Ne? So what do you do for a living?
Okay. So
she's beautiful though. Yeah, she's handsome.
Thank you.
She's very handsome.
Don't say I'm handsome, Mama. Don't say I'm handsome. I'm beautiful.
No,
okay, thank you. So I am a voiceover artist at the moment. Yeah.
Voice happy.
I'm voicing the, what would I say?
Amafu
Studios.
Final fade.
Yeah, so yeah. I'm literally an Indian.
The laugh is handsome too.
Guy, I'm not handsome, bro. I just took my beauty from my dad.
She took her handsomeness from her dad. No?
I didn't take my handsomeness from... Why would you say I'm handsome?
I guess he took his handsomeness that formed into being a beauty.
But I'm a lady. You were supposed to know if I was a transgender. What the hell, bro? Like, I'm gonna kill you right now.
Shall we at break?
But either way, I'm a lady, bro.
Okay, unamabele guys, so that means she's handsome, beautiful.
It's fine, you can say that.
She's beautiful.
You can say that.
Okay, so are you dating right now?
I'm very much single.
Why?
I would say it's a choice.
What's a choice about being single? There's no choice in being single.
I'm
you are
not ready
single
to
because
be
they're
in
not asking you out, or you are single because when they're asking you out and when you are denying them.
I would say I'm denying them.
So there's no choice here. It's
I am
either
denying them.
You are denying, or they are just not asking you out.
They do ask me out, but then I am denying them because I don't think mentally I'm ready to actually be in a relationship.
Why?
Like I said, I don't think I'm literally mentally to be in a relationship.
So abused mentally.
Hello, I'm not abused. I don't have trauma, but then I just don't want to be in a relationship at the moment.
Ngobani?
I'm not ready. Nobody.
Why? Okay, guys, please give me questions to ask. Okay, so move Wixen, what motivates you?
What motivates me I wouldn't. What motivates me? I really don't know what motivates me, but then
On a motivation.
what motivates me?
Joel Austin.
Joel Austin.
Uthini?
Joel Austin, guys, motivates me.
Uthini Joel Austin?
He always tells me that I'm beautiful, I'm talented, and also God is always by my side. So that's what motivates me.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what would you say to motivate people from your motivation that you got from Joel Austin?
So I would say just say God. You know, every time we wake up in the morning, the word of the day that I gave today, I said God. Just say the new attitude that you should have. You should just say God. I'm ready.
Yeah.
And also, I know I might not have a plan. Wherever you are thinking that you don't have a plan, just know that God definitely has a plan.
Amen.
And also, you have like a bigger vision. Maybe you enlarging your vision about everything that you want to have in this life, and also be ready for the shift. You know, when we say that you're ready for the shift, you're ready for anything that God is going to do
In
about your life or in your life. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. So yeah, that's it. Just be ready for anything that God is about to do about your life, because also you should be ready for the shift. You know, be ready for the shift, because God is about to actually direct every flood of restoration, every flood of that promotion that you've been dreaming about.
Amen.
You know, you might not have the qualification, but then God will actually give you something that you never dreamed of. God will actually give you something that
you might not have a qualification,
Yes.
but you might qualify.
Yes, because God is actually there, and God will actually give you something that you never dreamed of. God has actually like better plans than your plans, you know. So yeah, that's
So
it.
for example, like a very quick example, you might be handsome, then God might have plans of making you beautiful.
Come on, dude. in God's eyes, everybody is beautiful.
Exactly.
Everybody's handsome.
Preach, mama.
Everybody.
No, but honestly, there's also this except for apart from the whole jokes and stuff, but guys, there's this thing, Guti. Who are you as a person? You might be you might think you were born as a chicken, you know? Maybe your egg fell, you know, into like some nest. When we're almost, oh, maybe I'm also a chicken, dun. I was made to become a chicken. Only to find out that you're an eagle. Like all these chickens are just flying, gancane, fly, stop, fly.
Yes.
When you fly, or fly on top. And then baby jealous why is this one flying on top of all of us? You know, only to find out you're an eagle and not a chicken. You might be placed in a form of being a chicken, whereas you are actually an eagle. Eagles fly higher than chickens. They can fly this, they can do this, they can do this. You're not meant to do that. You're just born in that community. But that's not where you're meant to be. You know, that's not where God like wanted you to be. He just put you there so that you can learn Uguti. In life you might meet different people, and you must be able to live or to adapt to whatever it is that he has put you in. But at the end of the day, you are not a chicken, you are an eagle, and you will fly above everything. There might be times when you're praying and you feel like God is not answering your prayers at that certain time. It does not mean ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthulile. Delay to whatever it is that you're praying for does not mean that you have been denied. You know, so today you are praying, "Nkulunkulu, I really want a job. God, I've been unemployed. God, ekhaya bonke bayasebenza, okhazini, osisi, obhuti bayasebenza, but mina angisebenzi, and mingasebenzi bangenza isigqila sasekhaya, bangwashisa izitsha, they're making me wash the dishes, they're making me mop the ceiling, they're making me wash the windows,
They make me do the
they
laundry.
make me do they make me do everything. And at that point you might feel like, God, why am I alive? Ngiphile lantoni? God, just take my life, because maybe ngibona maybe esikoleni uhleli, you don't even have a job. Uyadla, udla 4 slices but awusebenzi, whereas they're eating 6 slices, but for you to eat 2 slices is a problem. Delay does not mean that you are denied. You might be delayed, but the moment God says yes, that yes is going to lead you to places where they haven't even stepped into. Bona, they'll come to you and ask you, Wuti, how did you do it, Talita? Wenze kanjani? And you'll be like, it's God. Look, God, lo mthandaza, what? Yes, that's very same God. He did not delay me to deny me. He delayed me so that I can teach you. Uguti, patience is a virtue. God's timing is more precious than man's timing. You might think at 29, I don't have a child, I'm not married, I don't have anything, I'm useless, let me kill myself, I've not made it. Not knowing, Guti, if you decide to kill yourself at 29, maybe at 30, that's when your breakthrough was going to be. Maybe at 30, that's when God was going to open that door for you. And when that door opens, it was never going to be the door that anyone in your family had ever opened before. You don't know that.
Ungakhali Siyanda, Ungakhali Siyanda, God is actually gonna direct the floods of restoration in life soon. All that work from, like, people would think that it's gonna take like 100 years and everything, but God will literally just take a second for that everything to actually happen. So you will never know. God's timing is very precious, and everything happens for a reason. So you might think that izinto azikambeli kahle at the moment. You might think that izinto, they're just so difficult in your life when we are bambuyeka and things are not happening for you. You might think that that degree is never going to happen for you, but then uNkulunkulu has a plan for you. You might not have a plan right now, but definitely God has a plan for you. Trust me, God has a plan for you. And then izinto angeke zenzeke ngendlela ofuna ngayo, because wena uNkulunkulu uyakulawula. The universe is not going to go exactly the way izinto zizokwenzeka kusasa. Izinto, when you're praying, they're going to happen next week, but then uNkulunkulu knows when your things are going to happen. uNkulunkulu knows when is going to be your breakthrough. uNkulunkulu knows ukuthi umntanami ngimbekele isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi izinto zakhe ziphakame, and then ayenze izinto ezibukwayo. uNkulunkulu will actually give you that day where you're gonna be telling your grandchildren, your grandchildren, your children ukuthi niphuma kuphi, ukuthi uNkulunkulu ulishintshe ngaluphi usuku. And trust me, you'll never forget that day. You'll never forget that day when God decided to change your day. When God decides to change your future, when God decides to change your life, it's a day that you're going to be telling your grandchildren, your children, and also your grandchildren. I don't know, but then uNkulunkulu unesikhathi sakhe, and then angeke ukule lokho. So yeah, sidlula kulezi zinto sonke, and everybody is going through a lot, and we just decide ukuthi, are you going to stay and you're gonna be like, okay, fine, uNkulunkulu will take place when it's time, or you're just gonna give up. So ichoice yakho, and I'm just gonna tell you today, ukuthi, just have faith.
Yeah.
Believe in him.
Yeah. If I can tell you guys a story of ukuthi ngiphumaphi, the things that I've been through. So
I'm not laughing.
Guys, if you saw me a few years back, you'd cry. I don't want to cry now thinking about it, but if you saw me a few years back, you would cry. And umuntu ongibiza ngesidudla ngihamba endleleni manje ethi bozwa isidudla boyibo udlani, that does not make me feel bad. And people would always be like, no, it doesn't make me feel bad. Because if you saw me 3 years back, you would actually pray that I had this body that I have now. And that was not because nyakula, no, anguli. There's nothing chronic about me or whatever. It's just the fact Chabuti, there was a point in my life where I used to eat iraisi namafuta. Yeah. I used to eat rice namafuta. You fry it. Yeah.
Oh.
You fry amafuta, missing ngifake rice, ngifake aromate, and I'd eat.
At least you had aromate.
At least I had aromate. You understand?
Yeah.
But also, that's like, guys, I don't come from a rich family. I don't come from where yonke into iyazenzakalela, like, you know, and also having abazali who chooses their kids. This is my favorite kid. Uzoba na yonke into, don't sexual abuse. Like, there's just a lot of things that I can't mention, but when you think back, you're like, wow, I've made it. Like Izolo, I just went and I swiped a MacBook. You understand? And 3 years back, I would cry because I didn't have 5 rand to buy salt. So sometimes, guys, when mengisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubeka kwi-position so that you can learn humility. Ziningi izinto engazisho ngami, ngikhuluma ngey'gaxa zabantu manje, ngiyasho iy'gaxa every day, but it's a thing of everyone has a past and everyone has something that they're going through, you know. If I can speak about what my dad and my stepdad and that guy Loyana engafuni ukukhuluma ngayo, like kuningi, but if I can have a story about every single person that I mentioned now,
Uzoba isigaxa
sendala. Othiwa uMrs. Gaxa naye uphuma lana. So it's a thing of everyone has a past, everyone has a future, everyone has a present, you know. So sometimes you just need to pray, guys. Honestly, but just pray.
Uthabiso uthi mina ngoyiswa umetriki. Mina ngoyiswa umetriki, yo kodwa manje sengigenile. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, guys. Second knowledge. God do it. Thank you so much.
Ubambilotho
Lutho azange.
Uba nobambilotho ngaba ngikho lana mina if bengibambilotho.
Usho ngani ngithenge izolo.
Let me tell you so. You posted about it.
I didn't post. I just said it now.
You just said it now? Where was I?
Now, here.
Or maybe I was just busy crying.
Then what did I buy? Do you know what I bought yesterday?
I was with you.
What did I buy?
You bought an MacBook.
You
bought a MacBook and I was just so worried. How are you going to hold this thing going to Joburg, passing by Joburg? And I was like, okay.
Mara, don't be happy uba isdudla cause mangatiwa
uyabalekwa manje uzophinde uzisole. Hello.
Wait.
Ubani zosola for ukubaleka.
Maybe Utabiso does not know the kind of student that I am.
Uzosola yedwa Utabiso.
Is there a way, because angifuna ukusuma manje because lesson bekhona kuyahlupa, but is there a way to put a picture of how I look right now?
There's no way.
Ikhona chum.
There is.
I look good as fuck.
You look good as fuck, but hello, you wouldn't cry for being isdudla.
Yeah, well, isdudla, but not like I'm so isdudla. I'm thick.
Yeah, she's thick, not as Dula. Like, not as Diffuser,
I'm saying as
hard
Diffuser.
Diffuser.
I'm
Like,
thick
you
as
know, when we're talking about chickens, and then we have chickens, we have hot body chickens. We're not talking about hot Diffuser. We're just talking about a very...
okay.
We're not talking about hard Diffuser that I can't even run.
Oh no, I'm sexy as fuck.
We're talking about,
Sorry.
a very sexist Diffuser. And guys, who doesn't want to be Diffuser? Tell me. Who doesn't want to be thick? Like, tell me.
I'm thick, I'm so Diffuser.
Sizosibona phi Diffuser singekho thick Jom. Ayikho leyo. If we Diffuser, guys, kumele ube thick, kumele ube, ube naleya body leya. Otherwise, hayi ngathi ndiyabona ngiyisitufuze singekho. Ngathi ngiyabona ngiyislender we. We, kuzomela ngiyothola ibhikho.
Yazi ngidamitheni. Etheni. Ngigainile ne because I feel like I've gained just a little bit of weight, Like I do have a flat stomach, but just ukuthi mhlawumbe leyo fuba leyo like this, yabo. Ivelile and stuff. Wathi cabanga nje sengibhizi ngilongibhekana namathambo.
Cabanga sengibhekana namathambo, exactly.
Namathambo.
Kumele guys mawushada decide ukuthi akushade.
You understand?
Kumele athi mayikwazi ukuthi phakama bamkami bakubone. Kumele uphakame ube umkami bakubone kanti because
don't just phakama. Ungaphakama iplangwe bakubone.
Babe amajerumani sekayayitshizela ayakwatyuzela ayinto engayazi ngathi
agcwali mama.
Mama kumele ligcwale. Kumele ligcwale lungisani imama. Cabanga imama selingagcwalanga. So uthi phakama bamkami bakubone amajerumani aya ngathi ayagijima ngathi uyahuda, you know what I mean? Uba umXhosa, it's another thing, guys. Cabanga sewungathi uyahuda ke umakoto ongathi uyahuda.
Ngathi nje itoilet nawe nabangani so ni so nje ne toilet bandla. Choma asana next okay mic.
You decided to take a glass and make it a mic.
Because we don't have anything. Mangithi shindi.
You guys, I just want to tell a story, but then I don't want to tell a story now. I want them to actually go to 1.5k likes before I tell my story. My story is too deep for this 900 and something likes. So I need to 1.5k, then I can tell my story. I don't want everybody to cry, but
okay, then please tap on your screen so that you can get to 1.5, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, please tap on your screen. Kona Sophia, 1.5 likes. Kona is also Skatla Sendaba.
It's Skatla Sendaba, guys. I can't really tell Skatla Sendaba about my life if you guys are just watching.
Guys, tepani. Guys, tepani.
At least let's go to 1.5k, and then I'll be able to tell Iskatla Sendaba about my life. Yeah.
Nazos, you got tepa.
I don't want to cry.
Don't cry, chum.
I don't want to cry.
Don't cry.
I don't want to cry. It's fine. I won't cry now. But
can we get to 1.5, guys? There's no one tapping now. Can we get to 1.5? Thank you, Lingisani.
So, back at Kanamos, mina ngizwe ne back seat.
Can we tap the screen, guys? As tap in.
I really don't know. Thank
you for tapping.
I really don't know how to read this.
Let's get to 1.5 likes and then Iskatla Sendaba sizophuma.
Iskatla Sendaba. Ngoba ngifikile phela endaweni yeSkatla Sendaba. So I need to give it to you guys.
Please, we've got someone who will give us really hot
1.5. And I just don't want to cry. That's the problem. If you actually giving me this mic, I'm just gonna start talking and then I'm just gonna start crying.
But we're podcasting.
I know I am, but then hello, I don't need it because I'm gonna start crying. I need to be. I'm never gonna go to MacG. I'm never gonna go to MacG because I'm gonna start crying.
Okay. angeke sifake
Baletha
imali.
letha.
Hayi jo uzofuna nge-mistake la.
Ngizofuna
Please
nge-mistake.
get us to 1.5 likes. Khona usisinika isigaba.
Yes. As you should. You should. Uzidla that ngibikwayile shame. Imisikwane ngisendele zona.
Hey guys, ngiyabuya manje ngisanswerisha le call. And it's